It's been a while since we've talked about mutations on SARS-CoV-2, and since there's a new emerging strain known as EG.5, I want to break down that specific strain as well as remind you what these mutations even mean. So as a reminder, SARS-CoV-2 is made of a variety of different proteins. One of those proteins that's really important is the spike protein, and that's important for the virus to infect a healthy cell, but it was also important for vaccine technologies to create a vaccine using the spike protein in order to elicit immunity against SARS-CoV-2. But if we break down the spike protein even further, it's actually made of building blocks that are known as amino acids. So when we talk about mutations that occur on the spike protein, we're actually talking about switching some of those building blocks. So now some of the amino acids have changed throughout that sequence. And when we look at what amino acids have changed, we want to be specific on the shape, size, and charge of those amino acids, because ultimately that affects the overall shape of the protein. Now, SARS-CoV-2, the wild-type strain, has gone through a variety of different mutations over the past 3 years, a lot of them occurring on the spike protein. And you may be most familiar with one of the strains known as the Omicron variant that emerged in the later part of 2021. Since then, it's continued to circulate around the world, picking up additional mutations, and now one of the more dominant strains is known as XBB.1.5. And currently, vaccine technologies are in development to create a booster later this year targeting the XBB.1.5 strain. But the EG.5 and the EG.5.1 strains are both sublineages of XBB.1.5. In the EG.5 sublineage, the phenylalanine has transitioned now to leucine at position 456. In the 0.5.1 sublineage, the glutamine at position 52 has now changed to histidine. Now these are both quite small amino acid changes. However, the amino acid shape has slightly changed because of these mutations. But it is predicted that the XBB.1.5 booster will still be effective on this emerging EG.5 and EG.5.1 strains.